You already hold the gift of intuition. Now, you may have already tapped into it, or maybe you would like to. Maybe you would like to strengthen your intuition, really tap into it even more. Now, in this video, I want to share with you a powerful light code activation to really help you activate your intuition, to assist you in developing and also strengthening and increasing your intuition. So if you would like to activate your intuition even more, then stay tuned. Hello to beautiful soul, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm super excited that you're here. In case you don't know me, my name is Kay Sanders. I'm a divine messenger and celestial healer here to assist awakening souls on their spiritual awakening journey so they can really awaken to their power within and step into their power and create more success, abundance, and freedom in their life, all while making a bigger impact in the world as they're really stepping into their soul's mission. Now, if that's you, if you're on your spiritual awakening journey, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new content. We all hold the gift of intuition, whether it's you already uncovered it, developed it, or not. It doesn't matter, but you already hold the gift of intuition. Now, you maybe already have realized that maybe you have some gut feelings here and there. That is what I'm talking about. But not just that, it goes even further. When you really develop your intuition and really strengthen your intuition, really increase your intuition, it is so beautiful because then so many doors open for you. Whether it's you want to work with the higher realms, with the angels, the guides, your spirit teams, or even just becoming more in tune with people, whether it's you're a coach or healer or psychic, but with any of those professions, it would be highly beneficial to really develop and also strengthen and increase your intuition, because then you just simply can make a bigger impact with the people that you're working with and also even in your own life. Now, if you want to learn more about how to develop your intuition, I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but I do have a video where I share 10 simple ways that can assist you in really developing and also strengthening your intuition. So I'll put the link in the description below. But for this video today, I was guided to share a powerful light code activation with you to really assist you on a deeper level, on an energetic level, to really activate your intuition within. And like I said, if you already are very intuitive, this can assist you in strengthening your intuition and opening more doors for you where you maybe connect even more with the higher realms or with your intuitive senses. So without further ado, let's just move into the light language. So you can please put both feet on the ground, really get centered in here and now. You may just take a deep breath in, breathe in light and love, and then breathe out anything that doesn't need to be here. Now just take another deep breath in and really imagine filling your entire body with this loving white light. And then as you're breathing out, just drop into your heart and then close your eyes. Allow yourself to become present in the here and now. Allow yourself to release any tension and just release anything that doesn't serve you for this time of this video, for this transmission. I'm just going to call forth 100,000 angels, ascended masters, spirit guides, and beings of the light that can best support us now. Please step forward and connect with us now. I also call upon the ascended masters, our spiritual teachers, our spiritual mentors, to step forward as well, to connect with us and assist us in activating within us our intuitive senses, so we may see more clearly, hear more clearly, feel more clearly, and know more clearly. And we ask of assistance in activating within us the inner knowing and the strength, so we may trust the guidance that we receive as it is of truth, and allow us to know that it is of truth without questioning, without wondering. And please assist us in removing any layers of doubts, fears, or preconceived perceptions that may hinder us in fully embracing our intuitive senses. And please collapse any and all timelines where we held ourselves back from fully stepping into our divine self, embracing our divine gifts and intuitive senses. And also cleanse and clear any past lives where we may have had negative and even traumatic experiences around embracing our intuitive and divine gifts. And please infuse us with the light codes of strength, courage, clarity, and empowerment to embrace our inner guidance, our inner wisdom. And so it is. Nulanahan nekru uhukraha lekrura ai usta nekru una hasta aha. Nukru usta ah. Nukurushta atekre e norahate e u lane ayu aya heya tuna nane da heya namane tur atale creo ane uskan ste nukudula ane ustan u ata aha ta aha nukrushta naha ta usta aha ta tu urai nukda akda aha te u usta te na u ana usta aha te ekdu una ata Nuanana anana uanana ana huahane huane ana nuana tuhana mane humanana Anane anamanana anua takde ehu ushtane eu kaatena ate ehe tu uataha hushtane ehe uahasta nuastana anasta huna anekru uhuku ushtuana aha ate ehe Nulanae nukta te usta ane ehe eta nuruna nate nuta aha nurana hasta una nura ata aha lukusta ane eta aha nukurona ne lahstu na nakt ehe nutanekate ehe usta Wana no wana ye wana na wana ye tunahana namaye yana humana nane yana ye yana huana hume Tunas tukurasta aha nuku uta na suushta aha tula ahan as tunakata aha turuna a nuana. Now you may take a deep breath in and allow yourself to just anchor in this beautiful light code activation. And just take another deep breath in because this was quite powerful. Breathe in light and love. Allow this to activate the parts within you that are now ready to be activated. And just one more time, take a deep breath in to anchor in this, in the here and now. Because activated you have been. Your intuitive senses will now sharpen, develop in the speed that you allow it to, that you are now ready to. And so it is. And when you're ready, you may open up your eyes again. Now, we definitely were assisted by the Council of Light actually at step 4. The council that is always there for us to assist us in our journey of really finding our way, of developing our gifts, whatever gifts that you still have not uncovered. The Council of Light is here to assist you in your own awakening journey, because you are meant to awaken. You are meant to embody your divine gifts. You're not meant to hold back or keep them to yourself, because they're so beautiful. It is meant to be shared. It is meant to be embodied, because then you will be able to make that impact that you as a soul have come here to do, to step into in this lifetime. So I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you've gotten value out of this video so far, out of this activation, hit the like button. Maybe share it with someone that could benefit from that as well. And maybe leave a comment below. Did you see something? Did you feel something? What was your experience throughout this activation? And I want to invite you, just moving forward now, take some time, take a few minutes after this video is over, and maybe just allow yourself to just integrate this activation. Now, you may re-listen to this again, maybe at a later time, and maybe save it to your watch later list, and allow yourself to just let it sink in. Now, if you enjoyed these light code activations, now I have a whole series of light code activations that I want to invite you to check out. I'll put the link below. But also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new videos. But I also want to invite you to check out this one video here. It's the Awaken to Your Inner Sage and Inner Wisdom. I think you're going to love it. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Until then, make an amazingly abundant, successful day. Namaste.